Hey everyone, Dan here from Pixel Pump. In this third episode of Design Diaries, I'm going to talk you through a website I've recently made for a client. So this is a blog website which I've fully designed with loads of custom design and added functionality like search bars, comment sections, user submissions, and this has allowed our client to grow his community and really have ownership over his content and not be limited by any social media platform. So his content is primarily about personal development and some sort of philosophical topics. So because of that, we wanted the user to make the active decision to actually activate the website before you can have access to it. So this fits in the theme of personal development of the user taking action. So right off the bat, you actually have to take action before you actually reach the site, which is something quite cool, which we thought to do. So loading here on the home page, we've just got a nice centered image and a link to the database, which is actually where the blogs are kept. We've got a heading and a subheading here. As you scroll down here, the image has a parallax effect, so you can see it's quite a nice little touch we've added. And then it just scrolls down to his, I would say, bio, or just the main statement of the website. We did something else cool with the navigation bar. We didn't put it on the homepage right on the landing because we wanted it to be a bit more striking with the title. So you can see here the navigation actually comes in from the bottom and then sticks to the top. We did this on most of the pages actually, just to sort of make it congruent throughout the site. And then scrolling down, we have the transmissions, which are the main blogs. So this bit is really easily accessible, editable by the owner, so you can easily change which ones come up here, and these are sort of a featured blogs which he wants to be showcased on the homepage. Yes, we have sort of this holographic effect. We made this on desktop, and then it also has a different version on mobile and tablet as well. So this sort of scales depending on the viewport. Then coming down here, we've got a connect area for users to submit their own information. I'll come to this in just a bit, but yeah, it's just a big button really spanning across the whole width of the screen. Coming down to the footer, which is sort of the main call to action. So this is to join the Telegram group here. So there's a big button here, and then it sort of fades into the footer with a nice landscape here. So I custom made this image. Well, I didn't fully make it, but I edited it a lot, got rid of the sky, and then sort of made it merge into the footer here, which is quite a nice transition. I've done something similar like this for Spherige's website, but I really like how this looks. It follows the yellow color scheme, and then it really fades into black really nicely into the footer, where we've also got a mailing list newsletter, all of the social medias, and then just the basic stuff that you'd have on the rest of a website. So I'll go next to the database. This is really easily editable by Dana, and you can easily add different categories, remove categories. You can put blogs in multiple categories, and then you can see here, just like on the homepage, we've got this hologrammatic sort of effect, and then a list of each of the blog posts. So this is sort of what I meant. I'll zoom out a little bit. But you can sort of see how it looks quite cool with this effect around it. Now this will just expand the more blogs you have in it. So if I was to click on one of these blogs, it takes you right to the page. We tried to optimize this for SEO so you can rank higher on the search results. So we didn't add too many custom designs. We tried to keep it quite simple on this page. We also have links back to the other posts and the main database. And then yeah, this is basically the main blog. So in this area, you can upload text, images, videos, custom code, audio, loads of different things, and it's really easy to use. So he's got a really long blog here. I'll just scroll to the bottom. This then has a comment section as well, so you can add your name and a comment. So this encourages interaction between users. Dana then also has a really easy way to monitor these comments and basically administrate all of them. He can delete them, everything like that. And then we also have a connect banner at the bottom. So I'll take you to that page next. So this is where the users can submit their own information. So it's just a custom submission form basically, where you put in your title, name, kind of posts, your email, contact, message, and then you can also actually choose a file. So you can drop files from Facebook, Google Drive, Dropbox, or local files, and that will add into the form submission. So next we have basically the other static pages on the website. These are the ones that he wanted to be there from when a site was published and sort of be separate from the whole blog database section. So these are just some custom pages. We've used a black background with white text to sort of distinguish it from the rest of the blog pages and show it is a bit different. These are just some information and content. He needs to add an image here, and we're still waiting for Dana to add that one, but that will be done shortly when the site's published. And then we've got the foundational documents here. Another thing that is quite nice is this sort of transition that we've used from black to white, using geometric shapes. I've kept that the same as on the homepage, but let me know what you think about that. I think it looks really cool. It works, obviously, it's tie level, so it works seamlessly, and it scales depending on the size of the screen. Yeah, and then last page we've got the systems design, which is sort of just a very long centered page. Oh, I didn't load quite properly then. And then yeah, all the pages are bottomed out with the same footer, this lovely landscape with a dragon in, and the footer here with the email newsletter collection. So yeah, Dana was really happy with the site. We went through a lot of rounds of revisions to get it just perfect for him. And we added loads of custom animations. Everything was fully custom made by me. And yeah, he's really happy with it. So let me know what you thought about the video and the website. There'll be a link to the website in the description. As for me, I've still got some other websites I'm working on, so I'll be making some more of these videos shortly. And yeah, that was everything. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.